Here in week 9, we look at probably what Gruber is best known for, the author of our textbook, and that would be his role in designing the Affordable Care Act for the Obama administration. And this is split out into 2 chapters. So 15 and 16 both deal with both what the current state of healthcare spending is, but then also looks at the effects that having insurance has on those costs, and a little bit of just general discussion of how health insurance in general works, with again the typical insurance problems of moral hazard and asymmetric information. There's a little bit of comparisons internationally, but for the most part, at least in chapter 15, we're looking at the latest way in which the health insurance market is designed in the United States, and that would be with managed care plans, with a greater burden falling on the insured, having more cost sharing with them through things like health savings accounts and flexible spending accounts. And that transitions us to chapter 16, where we then talk about the same health insurance market, but we talk about primarily Medicare and Medicaid, the two government health care insurance programs. Medicaid being for the poor, Medicare being for the elderly, and if an individual is both poor and elderly, then they get both, and it's called Quest. So we'll look a little bit about how those programs work. Obviously, they're paid for by the government through taxation, almost completely with Medicaid at the state level and at the federal level, and then Medicare uses the sharing method again. And then we finish it up by talking about the fact that both Medicaid and Medicare have problems in terms of their financing.